Oh my.
Do you think I'm not good at handling shit?
I am... I am
We're making
very...
a beverage here, okay?
I cannot believe that table is staying on your chair like that.
Bro, it's called balance and finesse, my friend. So here's the glass.
Your head's cut off.
What do you fucking want from me?
You're too fucking tall, man. That should do it. It was only a little bit.
That's what she said. Well, it is perfect. Okay, here's our glass. Here's our 99 bananas. It's supposed to be 3/4 of a shot. We are using 1.5. We also want 3/4 of a shot of Malibu. We'll be using a double shot. We're also using half of a banana. Except this time we'll be using whole of a banana. How the fuck did this get bruised already?
I thought that was going in the drink.
And then you top it off with root beer.
It's actually really good.
It's delicious, dude.
I am so nervous that that is sitting on top of a computer chair right now.
That's fine. That's it.